Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do a comparison between three Nykaa Bullet lipsticks. One is the Nykaa So Matte lipstick, one is Nykaa Ultra Matte, and the other one is Nykaa So Creamy Matte lipsticks. I was just going through my vanity that day and I had three different lipstick formulations from Nykaa, and I thought why not do a comparison between these three lipsticks. And I do have the Nykaa Matte to Last liquid lipstick, but that is a liquid lipstick, and I have one Mattelicious lip crayon back in Bangalore, but again that comes under lip crayon category. And since these three are in the bullet lipstick form, I thought I'll just do a quick comparison for all these three lipsticks. We are going to be comparing these three lipsticks on the basis of packaging, price, pigmentation, formula, and last but not the least, we're going to swatch all three different types of lipsticks. So if you want to know these comparison between the lipsticks, then please continue watching. Before we could start, very sorry for the background noise. The time is around 9:30 in the night and there are still some children playing in the park down in my apartment, and this is the only place I could record with so much light and everything, so please forgive me for the background noise. Let's start with the Nykaa So Matte lipsticks first. The bigger lipstick launched in 2016 and the mini version launched in 2019, I believe. Since the formulation was the first formulation, I thought of going with this lipstick first. So I have two shades from Nykaa So Matte mini lipstick. One is Taupe Thrill and the other one is Bare Minimum. So the packaging looks something like this. Is the full matte black packaging, and this is how it looks. Earlier the packaging had like a sticker under the lipsticks which had the shade name and shade number. Yeah, this is how the initial packaging looked, and afterwards when they came up with new shades, they changed the packaging to something like this, which had a color coded bottom with the sticker on it. Yeah, this is how the newer packaging came up with, but the outer packaging is completely matte black, and if you have more than one shade, probably you can just keep it upside down so that you can see the color and the name of the shade over here. So let me just quickly give you the hand swatch for both shades. I think I have shown this shade Taupe Thrill in my earlier lipstick dupes video. I did one lipstick dupe video and I think this was a dupe for MAC Whirl, so I will try to leave the link of the video here. You can go and check it out. So this is Taupe Thrill. This is like a cool tone brown shade with just a hint of pink in it, and the other shade I have here is Bare Minimum, which is like your everyday pink shade. Let me just do a quick swatch. You can also see the formulation, like they're very easy to apply. So this one is Bare Minimum and this one is Taupe Thrill. So this one, as you can see, is more pinkier than Taupe Thrill, and this is what I'm wearing on my lips right now. So that is it for packaging and pigmentation. So let me just quickly tell you the price point of the mini lipsticks. The mini lipsticks retail for rupees 199 each, which I think is a beautiful price point for like it's not very small. The Nykaa Matte to Last liquid lipstick came up with a mini version, and that was really small, but I think for a bullet lipstick this size for a mini version is amazing. So let's quickly jump into swatches. So this is what Bare Minimum looks like. Let me just add another layer of it. So even when you layer the lipstick, it doesn't feel sticky or anything. So this is how Bare Minimum looks. This is a beautiful everyday pink shade, and this will go well for fair, medium to whitish complexion. If you have deep complexion, probably you can go with a brown lip liner and then use this lipstick. Let's quickly talk about the formulation of this lipstick. They are called So Matte, but they are not so matte. Any review that you watch of this lipstick, including Shreya Jain, she would have also said that this is not so matte. The formulation is a very comfortable demi matte. It's like a soft matte finish. It's not so matte, and I applied it without any lip balm underneath. You can wear this lipsticks without applying lip balm underneath the lipsticks, and you can still have a very smooth application and it will not tug or pull your lips. You can add another layer, like you saw me applying 2 layers of the lipstick, and it doesn't feel drying or heavy. I don't even feel like I have lipsticks on. So the formulation is very comfortable to wear, just that it doesn't stand by the name of So Matte. So that is it about the formulation. Let's quickly see the transferability of this lipstick. I'll just try to kiss the back of my hand with Bare Minimum shade on, and then when I swatch top 12 for you, I will do that as well. So it does transfer a little bit. It's not transfer proof, but even after it has transferred a little bit, you can still see the pigmentation on my lips. So yay for the pigmentation and formula. Now let's swatch the other shade. Again, this is a very beautiful shade. This is like my perfect nude shade. This is more like my ML baby shade. I like to mix this and Bare Minimum, and it just gives a very beautiful color. You can always mix your lipsticks to get new shades, but that is not the title of today's video. So let's stick to what we are discussing today. Let me just quickly do a transfer test for this lipstick as well. I don't think the transfer test is different for different shades, but in some lipstick formulations, the darker shade transfer less and the lighter shade transfer more. But since both of the lipstick shades that we're dealing with in So Matte is on the lighter shade category, I think the transfer test will be similar. But anyway, let's just test. So yeah, the same amount of transferage like we saw for Bare Minimum. The full size lipstick retails for rupees 399, and if you want to add more colors to your lipstick vanity, then probably you can check out the mini version, because I think they have 20 shades here. You can probably add the mini version and then go on and try the bigger version. Now let's move on to the next lipstick, which is the Nykaa Ultra Matte. The next range we're going to be seeing is Nykaa Ultra Matte lipsticks. I have two shades. One is called Jane and the other one is called Madhu. This is my recent buy, and these lipsticks launched in 2018. And let's quickly jump into the pointers of comparison. Let's start with packaging. These come in color-coded packaging, unlike the Nykaa So Matte lipsticks. So these come in all black, and these are color coded, which is an amazing thing. They have changed the packaging game, which is a very good thing, and this has magnetic closure. Nykaa So Matte lipsticks also have magnetic closure, but the bigger one only has magnetic closure. The mini one has like regular shutting mechanism. So coming to price point, when they launched it for rupees 550, and now they retail for rupees 599. But you can always find some or the other shade for discount. I bought the shade Madhu for I think 20 on a 20% discount. So you can always have an eye on the discount or the price point. So coming to formulation, this is actually ultra matte. They are completely matte, no shine. You would have seen some sort of light glossy finish on the So Matte lipsticks. You will not find any sort of shine in any sort of glossiness to this lipstick. They are completely matte. So with these lipsticks, you will need a little bit of lip balm underneath for comfortable application. If you apply these lipsticks directly, there could be a slight tug or pull, and you might have some discomfort while applying it. But amazing formulation. If I have to pick one formulation from these three lipsticks, and I would definitely pick the Ultra Matte. They are amazing. They have amazing pigmentation. You get one swipe application, and I'm just in love with this formulation. Let me just quickly give you a hand swatch. So first let me swatch the shade Jane. This is a neutral shade with a brown and peachy undertone. So this is how it looks, and can you see there's no shine whatsoever, no glossiness, no shine whatsoever, and this is just one swipe application. So that's a very good thing, and this shade will suit a lot of skin tones. If you have a deep dark complexion, this could be a perfect nude shade. On me, this is a brown tone neutral shade with peachy undertones. It looks amazing for me. And the next shade is Madhu, which is like your red shade. It's not like a true blue red, but it's a very comfortable red. Let me just swatch it on camera. That's just one swipe. Let me just neaten it up a little bit. So this is the shade Madhu, and it has slight pink undertones. And if you're someone who's just trying out wet shades, then this could be a perfect wet shade. It's not blue based, so you can, try wearing like these sort of wet and then move on to your true blue based wet shade. So utterly matte, completely matte, has a long staying power than the So Matte lipstick. And let me just quickly give you a swatch of both lipsticks on my lips. You saw how easily I could apply the lipstick in one swipe, and it definitely has a lot of pigment, and in one swipe I was able to, just apply very easily. And because I have a lip balm underneath, it doesn't feel heavy, or it didn't pull or tug my lips. You can use any lip balm, Vaseline, any sort of lip balm, just for the lipstick to hold on to. Otherwise it's going to grab to your lips and settle in your fine lines. So this is the kind of lipstick I would wear for this sort of an eye makeup. But I absolutely love this shade. I picked up this shade because Shweta Vijay Nair and Malvika Sitlani rave about this shade. This is their absolute favorite shade, and I don't regret buying it. It's such a beautiful peachy browny neutral shade. So let's put this shade under transfer test and let's move on to the next shade. So there is some amount of transfer, but once you allow the lipstick to settle down for a bit, when you freshly apply it and then try to transfer, there is some amount of transfer. But let me just show you a transfer test after 5 minutes. On the other hand, I have to remove the lipsticks. I'll show you the transfer test on the other hand after 5 minutes of application, and I think they are transfer proof after they settle down. So we'll check that and then move on with the next lipstick. So it's been good 5 minutes since I have this lipstick on, and now let's try the transfer test and see whether it is any way lesser to the first one. So yeah, there's just a very slight amount of transfer light right there, but otherwise it's a very good formulation. This is going to last you for a very long time, more than the So Matte lipsticks. But the only thing you have to make sure is to wear a lip balm underneath, which I've said like a million times right now. So let's just move on and swatch the shade Madhu. I absolutely love this shade. This is a very beautiful red shade. It has slight bit of neon to it, but right now it is clashing with my eye makeup, and maybe that's why it looks even more neon than what it is generally. But if you're wearing like a very neutral eye makeup, then this would be the perfect lip color to go for. Like, minimal base makeup, minimal eye makeup, and then this lip color would look stunning. And this lip color would go with every skin tone, with every undertone. This would be perfect. So this is the shade Madhu. I think the number is, I think they have shade numbers. So number 11 is Jane, and 16 is Madhu. And this has 5 gram of product. So since it's mentioned, I thought I could just mention it as well. So I really don't want to remove this lip color. I don't want to move on to the next lipstick. This is just so beautiful. The color is just amazing, and you saw how easy it was. Of course, it is the same formulation, but again, sometimes with brighter colors you will have some sort of difference when compared to the lighter ones. But this one is just perfect. So again, let's just quickly do a transfer test. Again, there's a slight amount of transfer, but the lipstick does not go away from your lips. And with this lipstick, it fades evenly after like 5 to 6 hours. And although it is completely matte, although this is ultra matte, you can still touch up on, and you can definitely add another layer if you want to in between. So with liquid lipsticks, you will not have that kind of a comfort, but with this lipstick, although it's completely matte, you can layer it after a few hours of wear time. So that is it for Ultra Matte. Let's move on to the last lipstick of today's video, which is the Nykaa So Creme Creamy Matte. Next range we have here is the Nykaa So Creme Creamy Matte lipstick. This is how the lipstick outer packaging looks. I have it in the shade Let It Snooze. Again, I bought it after Shweta Vijay's recommendation. This shade is very much comparable to Jane from Ultra Matte, but this has more of brown and this has more of peach. So this is the outer packaging, and the actual lipstick looks something like this. So coming to the formula of this lipstick, this is definitely a very creamy matte formula. If you have tried the Maybelline Creamy Matte, this is very similar to that. The price point, everything is very similar to the Maybelline Creamy Matte. This retails for rupees 299 for the full size lipstick. And let me just quickly give you a hand swatch of this shade. So this is how the shade looks. Can you see this has a bit of glossiness to it? This is very similar to Nykaa So Matte when it comes to the glossy finish, but this is a creamy matte like they say, but again it doesn't settle down to be a completely matte formulation. There's still some sort of satin finish to it, and with this lipstick you can definitely wear this without any lip balm underneath, and that's how I'm going to show it to you today. And this doesn't stay put for a very long time. It does transfer, and you'll have to touch up after a while, which should not be a problem because of the formulation, because it glides on very easily. Again, layering it will not be a problem. But I find this lipstick and the Nykaa So Matte lipstick to be very close when it comes to formulation, and I also believe that they have kind of renamed the Nykaa So Matte into Nykaa Creamy Matte, and that's what this lipstick is. I'm not complaining, but I just feel the similarity between both the formulations to be extremely similar. Now let me just quickly give you a lip swatch of this shade, and then we'll talk more. How the shade looks, and like I said, it is very much comparable to Jane, but this definitely has more of peach undertones to it. This does have a lot of shine to it, and I personally feel this is a lip gloss into a bullet version of lipstick. It is that comfortable, and I didn't apply any lip balm underneath, and it still feels very comfortable. It's not a completely matte formulation, like it is not as matte as Ultra Matte, but they say this is So Creme Creamy Matte, but I would say that it doesn't settle down into a completely matte formulation, which is good for people who don't like that matte finish of lipstick. This does transfer a little bit because of so much glossiness to it. When we compare all three formulations on the base of transferage, I think Ultra Matte transfers the less, and this one transfers a little bit more than that. So let's just see. So it does transfer more, but even after there's some sort of transfer, you still have the pigment on, you still have the color on, which is a great thing. And this should stay on your lips for good 3-4 hours, and after that you will have to touch it up. And because it's in a bullet lipstick form, and because of the formulation, it will be easy for you to retouch it and reapply it whenever you want to. And they have some amazing everyday colors, so the price point is also super affordable, and I think you will find your perfect shade in this lipstick. That is it from me for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you like this video format where I compare different lipsticks from the same brand. If you want me to do any other lipstick comparison, then make sure to leave it in the comment section, the brand name, the formulation, so that I can find it and do a comparison video for all of you. Or if you want to see any other lip swatch videos, do leave it in the comment section. I will see you all in another video. Until then, take care. Before you leave, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and also hit the bell notification so that you can be the first one to watch when I upload my next video. I upload lipstick swatches, lipstick reviews, product reviews in general, and also lots of makeup tutorials, so you will not want to miss it. So I will see you soon in another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.